Shenzhen Smartgoor IoT Technology Company, Limited, was established in 2019. It is a company focusing on the research and development, production, and sales of vehicle intelligent products. The company is headquartered in Shenzhen City, the capital of innovation, and its production base is located in Jiaoshan City. It owns the Smartgoor brand and is mainly engaged in the research and development, production and sales of vehicle intelligent products such as helmet Bluetooth headsets, helmet tail lights, smart helmets, motorcycle anti-theft devices, etc. The company has established a complete R&D and production system, quality management system, and its products have multiple industry certifications, which can quickly realize customers' products from creativity to final products. The company's products are mainly sold to countries around the world, providing OEM or ODM product services for many well-known helmet brands and motorcycle brands around the world. We sincerely invite you to work together to continuously expand the market with excellence in product quality and efficient and high-quality services, and strive to achieve sharing and win-win results for both parties, seek common development, and create brilliance together. We are focused on intelligent motorcycle electronics that add convenience to travel and safety to the driving experience. Our mission is to develop more intelligent products so that motorcycle riders can fully enjoy intelligence. We have many years of experience in the research and development and manufacturing of motorcycle electronic accessories, which makes us an industry leader. Together, we use intelligent products to connect drivers and motorcycles together.